she chose the
A girl chose a dog over you.
No.
Oh. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Fine. Playful, protective, fluffy, needling.
I love you.
Talk to me. You only make me mad. I'm in the zone.
Okay.